Inspections for your cleaning operation just got easier with Scan2Inspect from Janitorial Manager. The innovative QR code technology allows you to scan a QR code to complete an inspection for a specific area. Inspections are performed by supervisors to rate the work performed by a cleaner. With Scan2Inspect, you will be able to score and rate cleaners. You can choose from different scoring and rating systems to be applied to each inspection. Use ISSA or APA's professional grading scales. Employee accountability. Each employee will be held accountable for their quality of work. Highlight problem areas for cleaners and use it as an opportunity to train your cleaners. Reward cleaners for performing and exceeding cleaning standards. Documentation. Say goodbye to pen and paper. All inspections are documented and can be shared. Attach pictures. Users can attach pictures to inspections to verify that the work was completed at an area or location. For cleaning businesses, supervisors can forward these messages to clients to help strengthen relationships. Bring precision, raise your cleaning standards, build employee trust, and stronger relationships with Janitorial Manager's Scan2Inspect.